All right, welcome back. We have finished up our dry ingredients. We can go ahead and set those off to the side. And now we're gonna work with our mixers. So if you're using a hand mixer, like I said, that's fine. We're gonna coordinate it with the speeds that we have on this one. This is called an artisan head or tilt head mixer. So you want the mixer head up when you're adding ingredients and down and locked in place when you're gonna mix them. On the side, you have the different speeds. And so we have stir, 2 and 4. I don't think we're gonna go any higher than that because we don't wanna repaint the kitchen. But if you're using a hand mixer, that'll pretty much coordinate with a low, a medium, and like a medium high. So we're gonna get started by tilting the head of our mixer up, and we're gonna add in our 1/2 cup of butter. So you just wanna grab your rubber spatula, scoop that in. If you have any left, you always want to wipe it on the bottom of the attachment. For some reason, kids always want to wipe things on the edge of their bowl, but the attachment never reaches the edge of the bowl, so just always wipe it on the bottom of your attachment. So we're going to add in that 1/2 cup of butter and also a 1/2 cup of shortening. Now, some people are not a fan of shortening. I happen to like it. It adds kind of a fluffiness to your cookies, but if it's not your thing, you're welcome to go ahead and double the recipe for the butter and add a full cup of butter instead of the shortening. We're gonna go ahead and add this into our mixer. Any left in the bowl, remember, always wipe it on the attachment and not on the side of the bowl. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lock our mixer in place and cream these together. Make sure it's locked. And we're just gonna start off at a low speed if you're on a hand mixer, or stir if you're on a stand mixer. I love this new attachment. It's able to get to the bottom of the bowl and all the sides. We're gonna go ahead and increase that to 2, so that would be like a medium on your stand mixer. And then to get it whipped nice and creamy, we're gonna go ahead and go to 4. And we'll just give that a second. And go ahead and turn it off. Unlock and artisan head up. All right, ready to go, chefs.